right, so Jesse, what do you think about the mattress?
It's so soft.
Do you like it?
Yes.
In today's video, I'm going to be checking out the EV-based Model Y air mattress. And just to be honest, I did not expect to like this thing as much as I did. But have you ever been on a long drive stuck in a supercharger, which seems like forever, or you just need a quiet moment from the chaos? Y'all, this air mattress right here from EV-Base will be your new best friend. Now, before I dive too deep into this review, just know that EV-Base, they are hooking up our community here today with any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code JFM at checkout at evbase.com. And I really do appreciate EV-Base for hooking us up because, you know, accessories do add up. So the first impression whenever I'm looking at the mattress here, you can see that it's already padded. So you do have foam inside of here, and that's really going to help with your comfort level. And not only do you have one air valve, you actually have two here. So you have multiple air valves. And with the kit, it's going to come with, I'm not sure what you call them, caps or something. This air pump, surprisingly, is smaller than the palm of my hand. However, it is going to inflate this mattress very quickly. And the one thing that I do like about the double air valve is that it's going to give you control over the firmness and how the mattress is going to inflate. But most importantly, whenever you deflate the mattress, you don't have to keep squeezing everything out to one side in order to get the air out. That air can go out two different ways, which will increase the time. You are going to use the middle one here, and we're going to put that on. Now we're going to plug it right in. Now we're just going to turn the pump on, let it inflate. So as you can see in real time, that is inflating. However, I'm going to take the camera now, and now we're at eye level, and you can see that the mattress is actually coming up all over. So it is nice. So you can only have to inflate it in one of the air valves, but the second one here is whenever you're trying to get the air out, the air will go out twice as fast than before. So as you can see, it's still inflating. And like I said, I'm doing all of this in real time. So you will actually see how long it's going to take to inflate. I'm just going to come over here so you can see over here, it is coming right out. I'm just going to move that up just a little bit. And the air is coming all the way up. So we're just going to let this run for a minute or so just to get it all the way inflated. Then we're going to go and take our measurements. And of course, what everybody wants to know, the final result. I ain't only been talking right now, maybe for a minute. Uh-oh, it fell out here. So let me put this back in, one moment. So I have to just pick up the pump there. But typically, whenever you would be doing this, I'm pretty sure you would be holding it, that you wouldn't just walk off like that. But as you see, it's almost all the way inflated. This thing is firm. All right, so I'm gonna go and cut off the pump. It is cut out for the shape of the car. And I do have my tape measure. And the thickness of this, as you can see right here on the tape measure, I would give this about 4.5 inches, give or take. And it is taking up the entire bed of the car. It is a perfect fit. When I say perfect, look here. My finger is not able to go in between. And yes, the trunk do close with this mattress in the inside. So here we are. I'm 6 foot even, 6 foot right on it, and I'm about to just climb up in here and lay out. And as you can see, at this point, I'm able to lay straight out. I don't have to get in fetal position. And one thing that I can honestly tell you, with the foam along with the air inside of here, it does really feel very comfortable, almost like a real mattress, that my back is not screaming at me like, "Help me, help me!" My back is not doing any of that. This is actually surprisingly a very comfortable mattress for a car. And one thing that I like about the pump here is that it is detachable from the mattress, meaning just say if anything goes wrong with the pump, You don't have to replace the whole set. Anything goes wrong with the mattress, you don't, again, have to get a new pump with it. And remember that evbase.com, they're hooking up the JFM community here with 26% off, not just of this mattress, but any accessory for your Tesla or EV. So be sure you use the special promo code JFM at checkout to take advantage. Check out more videos right over there where I talk about all things related to your Tesla and your money, and I will see you in the next video.